welcome back to the bin of toys. The bin is looking extra big today. I wonder what's in there. Let's check it out. Wow, look at that. It's the Minnie Botastic Pastry Play Set. Let's see what it comes with. It includes the kitchen, a color-changing cake, a cake stand, icing bag, spatula, spoon, a pot and a mixing bowl. There's so much in there. I can't wait to open it up. Okay, here it is, the Botastic Pastry Play Set. It comes with a mixing bowl, and look, it even spins so you can pretend to mix things. Comes with a flour. You can pour some in the bowl. Comes with the pot. And here's the cake. You can take it apart, it doesn't have to stay up there. Here's the piping bag. We have a spoon. And a spatula. Need that for the icing. Look, you could even open the oven. So that way you could bake the cake. You click it back in there. Got a dishwasher. Yep, that's what it is. Got some dishes inside. Pink dish, a purple dish. And don't forget a cup of water. We're gonna need this for when we're icing the cake. That's how it changes colors. Okay, now let's bake a cake. We need the mixing bowl. Pour some flour in there. Oh wait, we're forgetting the most important part. I think we should check the box again. There's another special surprise in there. Let's see what it is. It's Minnie Mouse. Hey Minnie, she can bake a cake with us today. This is gonna be so fun. Okay Minnie, get the mixing bowl. Oh no, not the whole thing. Put that back. Okay, get the mixing bowl, pour some flour in it, mix it up. I just put it in here and mix it, right? Good thinking, Minnie. Okay, maybe pour some in here. And we could cook it. Don't forget the lid. Press the button. Wait. You could set it. We've got little knobs that you could turn in the back. Wow, look at that. Minnie likes it too. Alright, I have to get ready for the oven. There we go. Let that cook, and while we're letting that cook, we can try icing the cake. Who's ready to change the color of the frosting? It's better up there. Okay. So what we're gonna do is get our water. We're gonna grab some of the water into that piping bag, just a little bit, and here we go. I wonder what color it's going to turn. Or is it? I don't see it changing colors. Do you, Minnie?
I do.
Doesn't seem to be working. That's what I thought. What is going on here? I don't know about that. It says if you put some water on there, it changes the color. Maybe the water's too cold. Feels a little cold to me. And take two. You ready to try this again? Okay. No? You gotta be super quiet now, okay? Okay, Okay, let's try icing the cake. We're gonna take our piping bag and fill it with some water. So you gotta squeeze it. Make sure it's icy cold water, it says. Then we're gonna pour some of that water on there. And let's see if it changes. Uh-oh. I don't see it changing. What do you think about this, Minnie? I don't see it changing either. I think the water needs to be a little bit colder. I think you're right. That's a little disappointing. The set is pretty cool though. To have a dishwasher, an oven, and even makes noise. Let's get baking! How about we can put this in the freezer. Make it really cold. Now while we're waiting for our water to get even colder, we can see if there's something else in our box. Let's check it out. I hear something. Wow, Hatchimals collectibles. It's a surprise bag. Let's just see what's inside. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's the little egg. It's got a little heart on it. It's so cute. How do you open this? So I gotta crack it. It's like opening a real egg. Come on. Not that easy as it looks. Turn it maybe? I don't think it's ready to be hatched. Alright. So maybe the heart has something to do with it. I'm gonna push right there. Uh-oh, I cracked the egg. That's one way to do it. Let's see, who is it? Oh, it's so cute. I hear something else. Another Hatchimals collectibles. All right, let's open it up. Okay. Feel right into it. See something pink. And it's not the egg. Oh. I like this one. It's Pink Ellie Fly. Isn't she so cute? I like these Hatchimals. We have Pink Ellie Fly. Then Walren. Alright, let's check if our water is ready so we can finish piping our cake. Okay, we got our water back. Yep, it's cold. And now we got Ellie Fly and Walren to help us. Isn't that great, Minnie? That's such a great idea. Thank you. Let's start piping our cake. Put some frosting on. Hope this cold water works. Look at that! It did the trick. It's changing colors. Oh, I'm so excited. Just gotta make sure you get it on there. It's a little bit messy, but maybe we should try and do it over the bowl. There you go. And it's turning purple. There you go. We got some purple frosting. Yay! Thanks for helping us today, Minnie. And Ellie-Fly and Walren. Now that we're all done, we can put our stuff in the wash, take our pot out. That should be ready. And put all this stuff in the dishwasher. And get it all clean. There you go. Right there. We use the spoon. Gotta put the spoon in there, make sure it's clean for next time. A little bit more. There you go. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching.